Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of coupon codes and ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we're going to be touching on how things have shifted a little bit inside of your checkout, making it a little bit easier for people to actually find the coupon input field. Originally, when the coupon or the discount functionality was added to the platform, it was tucked away in a summary. Now, it still is in a summary, but they actually added another setting that will help you make it a lot more visible, a lot more easy to find, and just more simple across the board for your customers when it comes to achieving the discount they're looking for or getting the discount they're looking for, however you want to say that. So with that said, let's jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. All right, first things first, let's head directly to your checkout element inside of the editor. So wherever you are actually having people check out, head to that funnel step, go into the editor like we're currently in right now, and go to the settings for that checkout element. All right, once you're in the settings, go to the option for order summary right here in between shipping options and payment method, right? That is going to take us to this screen right here. Within the settings, you'll have two options within this area. You'll be able to enable or disable coupon code, and you'll be able to expand the summary by default. Now, this option down here to have it expanded by default was not there originally. You only had the ability to turn on or off the coupon field. So now what we can do is just turn this on by default, have it just toggled on just like that. So it's blue as far as the background goes and the dial is to the right, and then go ahead and save. Now, when you do this, what's going to happen is it's going to make the actual summary or the order summary visible, expanded by default inside of the live page there. So that way, when they get to that point, they don't have to search around for the coupon field. It is right there front and center, and you should be good to go. Now, let's go ahead and just save this. I'll show you what it actually looks like, so that way you have a good idea. Let's go ahead and back out of here. And I'm going to test this in a live window. When this loads, we're going to go ahead and start filling in the details as if we're about to check out. Once everything's filled in, click on next, and that'll take us to the second step here. In this case, I'm currently using a 2-step order form. If you're using a 3, then you'll have to go through all 3 steps. If you're using 1 step, then you'll see it right from the beginning. But now, as we can see here, the summary section is expanded fully, so that way you can see the coupon area very clearly now. By default, again, it used to show just like this. So if you don't have that new option checked off, the one I showed you a moment ago, it will look like this, not like this. Right, so if you want it to be visible and up in their face, then just make sure to have that enabled, and you'll be good to go. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. With that enabled, you should be all set, and your customers will be able to achieve the discount they're after. If you have any questions around anything we covered today or anything within the ClickFunnels ecosystem, whether it's Classic, 2.0, whatever, just let me know down below and I'll point you in the right direction. All right, with that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.